Hello everybody, welcome back to Sporks. And today we're going to have a cereal mukbang. 7 bowls of cereal. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. Let's see, what are we going to start with first? I'm going to start with Reese's Puffs. Okay everybody. So, like I'd say 4 weeks ago, I went to school to meet with a friend to play Pokemon Go. And we met. We played a little bit of Pokemon Go. It was good. It was good. And my ass went and sat Okay everybody, hey! So today we're going to be doing a cereal mukbang. We have 7 cereals and I was originally gonna use this bowl, but my sister said go big or go home, so we've got this. Shut up, Siri! Okay, so today I want to start with Reese's. So we're gonna start with Reese's. Okay guys, I wanna have a little story time. I'm an embarrassing moment of mine that happened recently, like 3 weeks ago or something. Is it 3 or 4? One of them. I'll leave it there for y'all to see. Anyways, I had told my grandmother that I wanted to go Pokemon Going at my school with a friend, right? So, me and my friend made a schedule to meet up with each other, and I waited a couple, like, I guess 40 minutes for her to get out of class, because she's taking summer classes right now. Ow, my leg. Nothing like Reese's. Anyway, me and her met up, and we were driving around Overton Park. Stop it, Fruit Loops. Anyway, we were driving around Overton Park, and we were Pokemon Going, and she told me how her little, it's not a field trip, because you pay $5,000 for it. I mean, it is a field trip, but it's not because it goes for credits. So her class, one of her classes for this summer, and after we talked about that, we got some Pokemon, and then she was like, oh, I have to go home, and I was like, okay, bye, have a good day. And then I went and sat over there by the Levette show, and there was a thing happening. It wasn't happening yet, they were like preparing for it to happen. It was like some singer. And by the way, the singer was bitchy. Anyways, I was charging my phone at one of the ports. That's all I was there for. I wasn't there for the singing or anything. And this dude comes up to me and he's like, are you one of the judges? First of all, I don't look like no fucking judge. Second of all, no, I wasn't. That's what I said. I was not. I'm not. And he was like, oh, well, could you leave then? I was like, yeah, no problem, I'll leave. And I guess people don't do that. Aren't just like, okay, I'll leave. You asked me to leave, let's leave. Because the look on his face when I was just like, yeah, sure. He was like, thank you very much. And I was just so confused on why he was very appreciative that I was leaving. Maybe it wasn't that. Maybe I look like a hooligan. I don't know. Anyways, I was walking back towards the school, and my ass, my clumsy ass, tripped and I fell. When I mean I fell hard. I had burn marks from the concrete on my hands. I split open my knee. Under my knee there was, it's like road burn or something like that when you hit the asphalt and rub against it. And then I'd also sprained my ankle when I fell. So, and the first thing I didn't do was like, you know, first thing people do are like, oh my god, ow. My first thing is I popped up and I looked around just in case anybody seen me. Because that's embarrassing. And I don't need people, like, I don't want people to help me in that situation. That's just embarrassing. When you're chubby, fat, growing, yeah. You know what? Thinking about it, rude people in Memphis would have probably just laughed at me. Anyway, now I have a scar on my knee because it's healed, but it's irritating because it has an indent now. I think it feels weird. That happened 4 weeks ago. So, how have you guys been? Anything interesting happening with you guys? Oh my god, I hate this bowl. Messy eater. I'm gonna pick up the bowl. I have a question for you guys. How do you pour your cereal? Because right now there's milk in here and I'm just gonna pour Apple Jacks in here, but usually I pour my cereal first and then I pour the milk. But I do have a friend who pours the milk first and then the cereal. And I don't know why, but in my mind that's just sinful. That's just doing the cereal dirty. I'm gonna need a little bit more milk. Oh, are you guys planning to watch any movies from the movie theater soon? I recently watched Deadpool. It was freaking hilarious. It was just as good, we watched Deadpool 2, it was just as good as Deadpool, the first movie. Like, I didn't think they'd be able to capture the, like, cause in the first movie there was like a really good balance. And I didn't think they'd be able to capture it again, but they did. And it was beautiful. If you haven't watched it, I totally recommend it. You guys have any movies you'd recommend me watch? And don't say Jurassic World. You look so cute. Diana's over there begging. Do you not want this one? My dog's mukbanging with me. Originally, she didn't want the Apple Jacks, but I can tell you what she did want, the Reese's Puffs. She probably shouldn't have them. They have peanut butter and chocolate. Well, it's cocoa powder, but whatever. I bumped into the vase, sorry. Is the battery good? We're gonna do Frosted Flakes next. Comment below what you guys are eating right now. I wanna know. I wanna know what I was missing out on. Ooh, and comment below down what you guys wanna see me eat. That's good. I probably should have went in order, like did these two and then these two and then those, but you know what mukbangs I've been seeing recently, and I find it weird, but then I kind of want to eat it too, is honeycomb mukbangs. I never just eaten honeycomb. It looks good. Like, I don't eat a lot of honey, but the way they eat the honeycombs, it makes it look good, but stop staring at me. You're too cute. Maybe if we have time after the video, I can show you guys a couple tricks she knows that I've taught her. I'm proud of the tricks I've taught her. I should bring a napkin or something because I'm a messy eater and I'm very sloppy and the milk keeps going everywhere, but I wasn't that smart. Oh, you guys, I was thinking of doing this last year, but I didn't because I didn't know if you guys would really want it. But when I'm in school, I really don't have time for mukbangs, but I'm gonna try. My leg's cramping. I'm pretty freaking tall and I'm sitting with this stool there. Sorry. And I was thinking of snack bungs or snack time or something. And I eat a snack and I talk to you guys about how my day's going. I don't know, it was an idea. I was thinking of, if you guys really want that, then yeah, I could do it. Comment down below if you want that. I wouldn't mind. But I just thought that you guys wouldn't want something like that. Something quick and, what's it called? Because it'd have to be on a break or like during my lunch. And I only get like a 30-minute lunch. And usually like 5-minute breaks. So next we're gonna do Cookie Crisp. I don't know if this is not open. I have to open it. So if you guys do want snack bungs, tell me that, yeah. I can start doing that when I get back into school. Okay, I'm gonna move some of these. So I can know which ones I haven't eaten. So right now we're eating the Cookie Crisps, and this is my favorite cereal. I know a lot of people hate Cookie Crisps, but I love Cookie Crisps. Yeah, well, it just doesn't. Now I have to eat it, but that makes me mad. My favorite cereal is no longer my favorite cereal. Why would they change the recipe? It was fine the way it was. That's aggravating. There's a lot of things I've been doing that recently. Like Twix changed the recipe. Twix tastes weird. Now my favorite cereal tastes weird. Stop changing the recipes, people. Hopefully they didn't change tricks. I know they didn't change Fruit Loops. I had those the other day. Ugh. I wanted fresh milk for this bowl. Still can't open a box of cereal like an adult. You know what? I am gonna add two together because why not? I didn't want to do it at first. I told my editor no, you don't mix cereal. But then I'm thinking, why not? And now I'm getting that sterilized. That smells so fruity because the Trix and freaking Fruit Loops. Trix is the same old Trix. That's good. I thought I was going to do 7 things, so I'm going to leave it here. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. I will finish this off camera. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming. Comment, like, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video.